In this video, we are going to see how we can insert a brand new table in Google Docs, and it is very simple to do. All you have to do is just go to the menu and click on Insert, click on the table, and it shows the building blocks. Underneath that is your choice. How many columns and rows do you want for your table? So let's say I want 5 columns and 3 rows. So we have to move towards right. So it's 5 into 1. You can see the numbering at the bottom and 3 rows. Once I click on it, it will immediately insert a table for you. And also, like I said, if you insert and click on table, you have the building blocks where you can see different templates you want for your table. So you can check those out as well. If you click on, let's say, review tracker, it will insert it this way. And if you choose content launch tracker, it will insert a couple of tables for you. You can even customize that according to your requirements after that. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And you can also adjust the column accordingly based on your data. Similarly, you can adjust the rows if you want to. And then you can simply mention whatever is required in the table. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.